Kato kaningut kinong tre ka National Health Mission kila kuno bo mission director Uram Kumar ula penbori kinong tre dak hukum baki deban ayak injek dawai COVID-19 lem kum ta kin haban ino e kakam. Kato kaningut nakini kinong tre ke NHM ki bampat tre a injek bat ki basakri haki shnat rekam paper jong katana ka kot khia kila sha khot hajiru ne kasngi hau mission director ban ai ka jing pensai.
Pak Wan sini siapa main office lah ni kan dari kedua itu mentak kesini wong yang apa yang kita tak tunggu kita terilang napo malaria itu kita wan saman lang ni pak ngam tas ni kini kita nak kacang ka you mau kuli lah kacang keli ni yang ngatu wong beli memang trek pan ai ngong dia ngas semua kot ngakhiak te ngan kam li kita ka injection no jupa biu ko ta tu usim ya kerteng jangau wong siapet ngam nong ti kalong kan ni kalong kamon lai lut te ma si ba kwa wai bom kwa onum ai kalong ta kai kiba pun kiba mai kiba sya berngem ban haban resign noi ka kam pina kali ba hang ni po ayu hang ni po kan ni ka office hang ni po health department ni po main office ni kam no te haban ya pet kai ban ja sedien dalam haban resign noi ka kam te ni si pet pat nen le am no te ki wi lat lenti tengah haban wat
Mission Director Uram Kumar ula karnga ban keren sikilat thai khupor halor kini ki jingkno daga boong ba uklam yo bos satya no principal secretary ka tanar ka kot ka khia hendrei ula kan tat pan bo uberngem nipen bori kinong tre ka NHM bakin ai injek hawa tawa jengmut no menteri ka kot ka khia ba el hek ulo ong ba nadu ka basdang kilai keren shai ba ka jing ai injection covid shield kamde ka bahap ban chupen bor hendrei la e hakamon pat ba.
Your reaction?
That I have told also it is not mandatory. Number one. Okay. You have to see also the willingness of the person. But I'm also appeal them to take the vaccine because it's helpful. To protect from that disease, we need to take. But those who don't want to take, we cannot force anybody. I don't know that about the threatened or I don't know. I have not received any complaint that anybody has been threatened. Once I receive officially, then definitely we will take. Whatever the decision will be taken by the government will take. But unless we have seen any complaint, I will not be able to tell you anything right now. But we cannot force anybody.
The service.
No, cannot tell me the service like that to anyone. I am telling you. Okay, they cannot make it mandatory also. If suppose I am being the health minister, I force anyone, you tell her, no, you have to take the vaccine. You don't take, I will, like what you have told me. If suppose you have taken because you are scared for your job or anything, if anything happened to you, who will take responsibility? Who will take responsibility, tell me?
So if
But I want specific, anything complaint, it has to be in the black and white. It cannot be taking any news from anyone. Okay, like that. I should have in black and white with me a complaint, specific complaint that I will be able to take any decision on that. For their protection, for our protection, for the children's protection of everybody, we appeal that vaccination is really it's help for protecting our from the COVID-19.